Welcome to Best India Reviews. If you want the best product at the right price, you're in the right place. Let's get into it.
In this video, we will share the best Energy Star Dehumidifier you can buy in India. Before we begin, please subscribe to our channel and support us for more helpful videos. We will start from the last pick and move up to the best one. Please check the video description for the product links and latest prices. We have analyzed and compared many Energy Star Dehumidifier and picked these top options for you based on our research and analysis. In this video, we have highlighted the key features and benefits of each Energy Star Dehumidifier, so you can easily compare them and choose the one that suits your needs. To know the product price details, please see the video description. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. Let's discuss what are the key things to consider when buying an Energy Star Dehumidifier. First, check the Energy Star label to ensure it meets energy efficiency standards, saving power and lowering electricity bills. Next, consider the capacity, which should match the size and humidity level of the room where it will be used. Noise level is another important factor, especially if you plan to run it in a bedroom or living area. Look for easy maintenance features like washable filters and accessible water tanks. Also, check for smart controls, timers, or continuous drain options for convenience. Durability, warranty, and reliable brand reputation should also guide your purchase decision. Finally, compare prices and read customer reviews to find the best value for money. Choosing wisely ensures comfort, efficiency, and long-term savings. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more helpful tips.